Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you're the device owner and that the phone is charged above 50%. Once done, gather a USB cable and a PC in case you need Samsung tools. Next, confirm whether the device is registered to your Samsung account. If so, you'll try Find My Mobile first because it preserves data. If not, prepare to use the Recovery Mode Factory Reset, which erases data, so consider any available backups before proceeding. You now perform the core actions. If the phone is linked to your Samsung account, sign into Find My Mobile on a browser, select your J8, and use the unlock function. This bypasses the screen lock while keeping data. If that's not available, power the phone off and boot into recovery using the hardware keys for your model. Once in recovery, choose Wipe Data/Factory Reset. Do this only when you've exhausted remote options, because it removes personal files and accounts. Once the reset or remote unlock completes, the phone will reboot and you'll set up a new lock and re-add your Samsung and Google accounts so device protection is restored. Make sure to restore data from cloud backups or use Smart Switch with your PC to recover media and settings. If something goes wrong, double-check Samsung and Google credentials, try the process on another computer or network, and if unresolved, visit an authorized Samsung service center where ownership verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.